All right, this is one of those moments where you don't really know what you're getting yourself into. We know about this concept car that existed, and we have friends that worked on it, and we're gonna go buy it. This is it. This is the moment. We're buying this car, and I can't really believe it, but yeah, we'll just have to show you when we get there. The Romulus Predator was never meant to be a production car. It was never designed to sit on a dealership floor. From the beginning, it was intended to be a statement. The project was led by Mark Garish, a designer and fabricator with a background in experimental automotive design. His goal wasn't to build something safe or marketable, it was to explore what could be achieved when design, performance, and technology weren't constrained by mass production. What made the Predator especially unusual was its connection to Hewlett-Packard. At the time, HP was actively showcasing how advanced computing, CAD modeling, and digital visualization tools could be used in real-world engineering applications. The Romulus Predator became part of that effort, a rolling demonstration of what modern digital design workflows could produce when applied to an extreme automotive concept. In the early 2000s, this was cutting edge. The Predator was designed entirely as a concept, from its aggressive, forward-leaning stance to its aerodynamic bodywork. It wasn't styled to resemble any existing production car. Every surface was deliberate, experimental, and unapologetically bold. Underneath the body, the intention was just as ambitious. The Predator was engineered with the goal of housing a naturally aspirated V10 engine, a layout commonly associated with high-end supercars of that era. The focus wasn't efficiency or emissions, it was raw performance, sound, and presence. This combination of advanced digital design and traditional high-displacement performance made the Predator stand out. It appeared in automotive magazines, it was displayed as a vision of what independent design and modern computing could accomplish together. And then, the project went quiet. There was no production run, no evolution into a second version, and no official conclusion. As the automotive world shifted towards stricter regulations, towards electrification, towards software-driven vehicles, the Predator was left behind by the future it once tried to preview. For years, it existed mostly in print. A few photographs, a handful of articles, a concept remembered by people who saw it, and forgotten by everybody else. But concept cars aren't meant to be permanent. They're meant to ask questions. And today, those questions matter again. Not as a V10 supercar, not as a museum piece, but as a platform for reinvention. This is a story of a concept car that never reaches full potential. Until now. Alright, well, I'm sorry if it's a little grainy, but we just got this thing loaded up onto the trailer. Just finishing up the straps. Got a good portion of the car. And getting ready to head out. There's the door open. We got the seats inside. We got the hood on and strapped down since it's not mounted currently. Whole car is on a dolly, so what we did was we actually just laid out the ramps and then put some plywood and used a winch to pull the car up while we guided it. So that worked out really well. The little louvers for the back are in the back seat of the truck. And we've got the molds for the windshield right here, and some other miscellaneous parts like wheel hubs and suspension arms, more suspension arms, and I don't know if you can see it, more suspension arms over there. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do with this big piece of plywood we borrowed. Yeah. What do you think, Corey?
I think it's winner. We got something extremely rare to go home with us.